Let me tell you a hard truth. If you are trying to manifest a life that you love, but the last critical hour before you sleep, you are spending it on seeing the lives you don't even know, I'm sorry to say it will be very hard for you to create a life you love. That is because you are overstimulated and your subconscious mind is messy and do not have a clear blueprint of what your vision is. If you are ready to leave the seat of being a spectator in your life to become the source, the creator of your life, then this video is for you. Today we are learning about the mirror blueprint and how to use it in your life so that you can shift your identity before your head hits the pillow. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Manifesting with Shiv Amod. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, engage in the content. Also, one question, if you want me to create subliminals or affirmation tapes, let me know which topics I should make for. Also, one more question, do you guys want me to make videos in Hindi and English? Let me know that also in the comment section below and I'll do that. Now let's get into the video. You know about the mirror principle, that is the outside is a reflection of what is going on the inside, correct? But if your inner mirror is messy, that is what life is going to give you more of, more chaos. By doom scrolling just before bed, what you are really doing is you are being triggered and you are giving new information to your mind to process every 60 seconds. You are heading into sleep with a brain palette that is confused and cluttered. I'll be very honest with you guys. I have failed at manifestation or manifesting my desires multiple times. And when I observe my action on those days, those are the things which I do. I doom scroll or my attention is not on the right thing or the right place when my manifestations are not coming true. Even though I know the rules of manifestation, what should be practiced, what should be avoided, the nights when I'm doom scrolling or the days I'm just doom scrolling, those are the days when I am feeding my mind with random data and my attention gets shattered. When I do this, I vibrate at the frequency of random noise instead of intentional creation. I was stuck in a life I didn't love because I was not giving my brain a moment of peace to actually understand or build something new. Everything changed when I started reclaiming that one last hour before I sleep. And I realized something very powerful. That is, before something becomes physical, it has to be first experienced as a vibration. Also, I understood if I am not giving my subconscious mind a clear blueprint, a vision of a life that I wanted to live, how will it create it for me? So understand this, when the world goes quiet, that is when your subconscious is ready to play. It is not the time to clutter your subconscious mind with more information, to make that palette of your brain more messy. It is a time for intentional creation. The mirror technique, which we learned in our first video, helps us to shift our identity by looking at yourself and saying, I can only see the version of myself who is loved. You are creating a new frequency. What you are really doing over here is you are giving your subconscious mind a clear blueprint, a clear vision to build your life, a life you love while you are sleeping. When you start seeing yourself as a different version, as a version who is loved, adored, that is what the world around you starts reflecting. Stop scrolling and start reflecting. Change what you see in the mirror tonight. Start seeing yourself differently or suffer staying where you are tomorrow. I know you won't like it. If I can do it, so can you. Till I see you next time, peace.